welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti Devari, and recently I started doing this vlog kind of videos where we are talking, exchanging information. You get to know me, and I read all your comments, and I get to know all of you. This is very new for me. I'm conscious about lot of things while I'm doing this video, so I'm learning. And yeah, it's can be a very challenging and a difficult place to put yourself out there in front of everyone, but yeah, I'm doing it. I will do it. Okay. So this video is all about my journey, right? So I was serving IT for I was an IT employee for almost 17 years of my career, and something like from last week, some I think from last year, it started feeling like I don't belong here anymore, and this is not my place, and I want to do something different. And I thought, okay, and been painting since 2018. Never took my art seriously. I was caught up in the social media game of likes, views, and followers. Thank God I'm over that now, and we learn. We learn eventually, right? So it's everyone's journey. You learn, you figure out. I did that, and yeah, so here we are. I am here in front of all of you, and I started. So I quit my job in April, and officially became the full-time artist. And I understand that the pressure can get to you, to get the good outcome out of you. The pressure of building as a full-time artist is actually not this, but it's real, right? It's real. But I'm inspired by a lot of artists all over the place. I see so many artists that are actually doing very good. They are thriving, and the most important thing is that they're not being bothered about, right? So I've also seen a lot of artists who have already reached that number, who have reached that high numbers, who have reached like 300k followers, 250k followers, right? They went viral, but still they're not happy that they went viral, because viral doesn't mean that they're bringing something back on the table, right? So yeah, it's difficult, but I believe that everyone who wants can make it. So here I am. I took the plunge. I've given myself some time, and let's see how it goes. So it was very challenging time when I was working. I was not getting time for myself. I was still some time to do paintings, but my heart started like feeling that, oh, this is like something is missing, and I need more. I started craving freedom more than so ever. More, yeah. So yeah, I decided, okay, let me take that plunge and get down there, see how it's done. So here I am as a full-time artist, and I really hope that you're gonna support me. And anyone who is in the same journey like me, I would really love to hear your thoughts on this one. Anyone who is already a grown-up artist, like established artist, and listening to this, I would really like to have some advices from you. And anyone who is here to learn from me and just follow along my journey, I really welcome you from all of my heart. Thank you so much that you're here. And yeah, I'm excited for this journey. I don't know what all I want to do. I have a couple things in mind that I have planned. I know that I want to do a lot of painting, which is slightly impossible at the moment, because you just get again caught up in like making yourself visible to a lot of people. But yeah, I think I am gonna hang on, get the hang of everything that's required for me to do. Yeah, so here we are. And just subscribe, follow if you can relate to me. These are very raw videos that I'm making. May click someone, may not click someone, but I have a very pure intentions of creating this video, and I hope that anyone who wants to hear this, anyone who's there, who can actually connect with me, will find these videos and would be able to resonate. I have an upcoming course, and I also have a subscription platform, The Painted Paths, where we do like 4 videos every month, real-time videos. They are not voiced overs, and you can take those like at a monthly fee or a quarterly subscription plan. You can actually come in and join the community, go through those videos at your own pace. We do a fortnightly live sessions where you can ask your questions or we paint something together. And then I have an upcoming course, which is my what Skies to Bloom watercolor course, where I have made a comprehensive course which includes everything from skies to birds, animals, florals, food illustration, where I'm teaching you everything step by step. So if you're someone who is interested in learning from me, you can follow me. You can check out my previous videos here on the YouTube to understand my teaching style, or you can go below on this link. There's a link that I've pasted on the for the storefront. That link holds a lot of courses, and there are some standalone courses like painting a snow leopard, painting a snowy landscape, or painting magnolia. You can buy those courses like one single time payment, lifetime access, but they're like single courses, right? To understand about my teaching style, and then if you're ready, then invest in more. If you are a collector or possibly become a collector in future, I have lots of artworks available on my gallery. And even if not, I would just like you to just go ahead and check them out. If anything clicks to you, let me know. We can discuss. You can buy, or if you have a commission in mind, I'm open for commissions. So yeah, that's it. So that's a small thing about me. I know the path is scary, but I'm ready to walk into it, and I hope that you guys follow me on my journey, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.